Alright, I put some fuel on this. Let's see what it does. I brought a screwdriver just on the chance. Well, definitely needs some carburetor adjusting. I think we need to clean the carburetor, but I think that'll run. Alright, well, this is going to get new fuel lines. Fuel line just as brittle as can be. And new primer bulb, and I'll rebuild the carburetor. I have carb kits for these things, and I have fuel hose. So I know it's good, it runs, it has really good compression. And the cutter blade's sharp. I mean, really sharp, so we'll rebuild the carburetor and new fuel hoses, and this thing should be awesome. Removing these carburetors is super easy. It's just 2 screws. And there's a little E-clip on that throttle right there. I'll pop that off, and I think I'll just disassemble this and throw it in some cleaner, and then I'll rebuild it. Looks like it's a Walbro. So A4WA224, and I'm 99% certain I have kits, carb kits and primer bulbs and everything to go through this carburetor in my stash. I'm going to soak this in lacquer thinner till I get to it next. Might be a day or 2 or maybe 3. But I see a lot of the guys on YouTube and videos, they have those ultrasonic parts cleaners that they clean these things in, and they look like they work pretty darn good. Maybe I'll invest in one here in the near future. I mean, you know, this is how I've done it for years, just throwing the stuff in lacquer thinner and let it soak, but I think I'm going to give one of those ultrasonic cleaners a try. Adjusting the needle, I use this. This is a little, it says metering lever gauge, it says, and then it's WA carburetor, so that's at center, and that just needs to be able to touch that little bit there. Basically, to clean these carburetors, just take everything apart and spray them out, and I soaked it in lacquer thinner, completely disassembled just the body here. I didn't put any of the other components in thinner. This is a little gauge doohickey for Zama carburetors. Little Z for Zama and a W for Walbro. Yeah, I was digging around in my hoard of parts, and I got fuel lines and carb kits, and I have those style primer bulbs that push in, but I couldn't find any the lone primer bulbs. But I have this brand new Walbro carburetor that has a primer bulb that I'm going to rob until I get some more primer bulbs and get this thing together and running. New primer bulb, new fuel hoses. It's got a rebuilt carburetor, new fuel lines, primer bulbs. Runs okay. Well, just stalled. Let me get it restarted. I can't hold the camera, and it sat there and idled for quite a while. Let me crank it back. Alright, one pull and lit back up. It runs okay, but like I say, it could run better. I think it's just a little worn out. It'll do the job. Probably get 20 bucks for it, double my money. I have $0 into it. I had carb kits that have been opened that had all the pieces and hose and all the primers and stuff. call that good. Call that good and done. So maybe I get $25, $30 for it. Hit the like button if you enjoyed my video. If you enjoy my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.